Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Notion you do not have access error recover page fast. First of all, if you're seeing you do not have access in Notion on iPhone, here's how to get your pages back fast. Make sure you're logged in with the same Google account or Apple ID that you originally had access to. In the top left workspace icon, select the correct workspace. Sometimes pages that are hidden under a different workspace. Then check page permissions. If it's a shared page, ask the owner to re-invite or adjust your permissions to allow editing or viewing. Refresh or reinstall. Pull down to refresh the page or swipe it up from the home screen. Reinstall the app. Your iCloud data stays safe. Privacy tip: only accept invites and log in on trusted device to protect your workspace. Quick fix: open Notion.safari. Sometimes browsers access bypasses your temporary app permission errors. Restart your iPhone if the page is still not work, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick Notion access fixes.